Here we are on my front porch. It's about 10:25 at night. Maybe you can hear it out here too. That was loud. That was really loud. I wonder how long it'll go on for.